Let's build the FIS table report on Modbus device.
I've never done before. Is it easy?
Easier than you think. Let's connect one Modbus connection first. Go to Communication, Modbus, click on Add, give device name, IP address, port number, connect. Define group name. What does this group means? It is like folder segment we use in Windows. This will make two separate tables for meter 1 and meter 2 and so on.
Okay, got it.
Next, define the device IP, starting address and select the function code. FC3 for reading holding registers or FC4 for reading input registers. Then specify the register length. Once you click Add, a table with 4 elements will appear below. Now, define the variable voltage, data type float and current data type float. Now, define the contextualization meter equals to meter 1. What is this contextualization? Raw numbers like 100, 200 don't mean much without context. Contextualization equals to attaching meaning to those numbers. Example, instead of just saving 100, you save voltage equals to 100, meter equals to meter 1, location equals to plant A. Now, when you query, you can filter. Show me plant 1, meter 1, voltage.
Why is contextualization important?
Why is contextualization important? Without context, you just see random numbers. With context, you can ask smart questions. What is the average temperature of boiler 1 in plant A last week? Compare energy consumption across machines. Show me downtime events only for line 2 machines. I hope you got it.
Yes, thank you.
Now define the historian, cyclic, cycle time and measurement name. Once done, add the second group for meter 2 and repeat the variable assignment.
I have seen you are giving the same variable name to both meter 1 and meter 2.
Yes, because both will be differentiated by the context meter name. I will show you in dashboard how it helps to get the best report when you have similar objects in hundreds, like consider the energy meters. Each plant have numbers of meter. How many variable you will manage?
Okay, got it. Good for engineering point of view.
Now, add historian for meter 2. This setting will be same as per meter 1. We can define same or different as per requirement. After you submit, the device configuration part is done. Now the historian service will run in background and store the data in every 10 seconds for meter 1 and meter 2 data with the context tag meter 1 and meter 2.
Even if we close the browser?
Yes, its service always running in background. After this, go to dashboard and create new report EMS1. Click on I button, click on edit button. Now you enter into edit mode. Choose the widget icon. In KMS, we have two kind of widgets, historian, which take data from database, and real-time widgets, which takes data from direct device in real time. This real-time part we will cover in another video. We have all the widgets which any BI tool has, like trends, table, pie chart, area chart, gauges, manual form and Sankey chart, etc. Let's select the table widgets and build the report on same database which we built just now. Enable the header first, give font size alignment. Enable start date, end date, add logo. Now comes the report table definition. First step, assign the data source to table and columns parameters.
Is this step must?
If this is done, then only you'll be able to assign the columns in next part. Now configure the individual column. Select second cell from above. First is reserved for static text. In key selection, select auto. In column select, the variable serial number and time is system variable. Select serial number in first column. Select time in second column. Add meter name in third column. Note the meter name is coming from contextualization parameter assigned in KMS and not coming from device. Let's add two more columns in table structure. It is similar to Excel. Now add voltage and current in 4-5 column. Click submit to view the report. Adjust the size as per requirement.
Wow, this was so simple. I see the date time format is not as per requirement. Also, can I limit the decimal point? Is it possible to give color definition on values? Can we add filters?
Yes. Again, go to Edit mode, select the individual column you want to edit, give the custom name you want to see in report. For time, change the format, go to Data Formatting, select Timestamp, select as per requirement. For meter, select and give custom name. For voltage, give custom name. Select aggregation if you want to see average, minimum, maximum values. Select decimal point to limit the value after decimal, define up to 2 points. For visual annunciation, define expression under row or cell color. For current, give custom name, define aggregation. The title bar can be given the color of your choice. The static row will be merged and define the static text.
I'm amazed how all this can be done without writing a single line of code.
Enable the timestamp filter. This will allow you to filter data by relative time, such as seconds, minutes, hours or days. Next, enable the filter and select the database and the meter column. Set the relation to equal to and choose the required meter entry from the drop-down list. Finally, save the configuration. All this was done within minutes, and now I'm confident I can try it myself. Welcome! We will cover the PDF and Excel print in next video.